It's finally here, the moment you've all been waiting for. It's scrunchie time.
Oh my gosh, did you hear that? Oh god.
Hey girl, hey, and welcome back to OMG Scrunchie Club. I'm the Scrunchie creator, Alamio, and for those of you that are new, welcome to the club. Today I decided to do something a little different because the weather is so nice here today, and I decided to come outside, but now I realize I'm losing sunlight. But anywho, I wanted to introduce to you the 2022 spring collection of OMG Scrunchie Club scrunchies. There are 22 scrunchies here, and I have my notepad here with the names of them so that I can tell you, but these will launch this Saturday, February the 26th, I want to say, at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So let's go ahead and get started. But before we do, let me introduce to you my new OMG Scrunchie Club look. So here it is right here. OMG Scrunchie Club will be adding jewelry soon. My goal was to have it added for this upcoming spring collection, but I'm still sewing, cutting, and measuring, doing all of that fun stuff to get these done. So some of the scrunchies will have necklaces to go with them as well as earrings. Or you could just buy the jewelry instead. But let's go ahead and get started. So this is my rainbow stripe scrunchie here. It's called Joy, J-O-I-E. That is a French name. It's French origin and it means rainbow. So that's what this one is here. And then I have this rainbow here. This one is called Charm. I want to say Sky named this one. It has polka dots in it. Summer's over here saying she named it. I'm not sure. But I do know Summer named these two here. This white one is named Arlia, and the black one is named Charlia. Let's see. This scrunchie here is Antonia, right here. And I thought this reminded me of a kaleidoscope, so I named this one Kaleidoscope. It has triangles on it. So those are the 6 new rainbow scrunchies. So here is a scrunchie here. When I first saw this fabric, it reminded me of like soccer balls. So I named this one Sport. It's green, black, and orange. 2 shades of green, black and orange. This one here is named Bunny. It's a chevron scrunchie. It has beautiful colors. And this particular scrunchie here, I named Starfire. I was thinking of Starfire from Teen Titans, so that's where that name came from. This plaid here is named Lucky. Reminds me kind of like St. Patrick's or like a little leprechaun, Lucky. This scrunchie here, it's satin. It is called Gardenia. It's a satin flower scrunchie. The next scrunchie, I don't have these in order. This one is called Bendy. It has butterflies, moths, and ladybugs on it. So Bendy actually means butterfly. So whenever I research names for my scrunchies, I try to come up with real names that have meanings to them. So this one is Pearl. It's a cool little maybe wedding. It's a mauve pink color with pearls all over it. This one is Peachy. It has a nice texture to it, and it's peach. Next we have Fern. Same as peach, but green. Then I have Celeste. These are all the same, just a different color. And the last one that I have is cream. So it's just cream. I couldn't think of a name. It may have a different name by the time it gets on the website. Then we have Denim. I did some Denim cheetah scrunchies, so I just named this one Cat. I thought that was a cool name, like cat, kind of like a bad cat. Then we have Beezus. This is embroidered with bees. Two more. Aquafina. And the last one that we have here is Haley. It's like a mustard yellow with white polka dots. So that concludes the tour of the 2022 OMG Scrunchie Club Scrunchie Collection. Remember, you can get yours at omgscrunchieclub.com. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye!